Welcome to Motivational Mindset Guru channel. 3 ways to make more money. Common ways to make money. Do something for other people who will pay you money, called a job. Make something or provide you service and charges money, called a business. Use your money to make money, called investment. At a certain point in your life, all of us start thinking about what we are doing in our life. Whether our life is moving towards a right path or not, or whether we are progressing or not. Although every aspect of your life has a different problem. But making money is a common problem that everyone faces. Money is not everything, but everything needs money. 3 ways to make more money. First way to make money. The way to become rich is to make money, not to save it or spend it. Too many people spend money more than what they earn. To buy things actually they don't need it, but just to impress people. Spending money is easy, but you need to make money, it's difficult. Fools spend money on silly things, where wise people focus on make money. You need to avoid spending on unwanted things, expensive things. Instead of this, try to make more money. You need to develop yourself, focus yourself and train yourself, and set a goal to make money. Second way is more important to make more money. Use the money to make more money. Anyone who has time and energy to devote to a job can work hard or appear to be doing so at least. But knowing how to work hard is not the same thing as mastering how to work smart. Smart working tactics are designed to help you reach your goals and complete tasks with less time. Remember one thing, rich does not work for money, they make money work for them. A simple lesson about money, if you try to chase the cat, it will always run away from you. Leave food out for the cat, it attracts the cat. Similarly, if you want to make more money, then make money and use money to make more money. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So develop your skills and knowledge towards like trade marketing and stock and invest, etc. Third way is just repeat 1 and 2. It's not about how much money you make or save, it's about at least how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. Thanks for watching. If you are agree with me, then comment below. I will make more money. Do subscribe for similar videos. Please press like button and bell button.